my dear child, as the days grow longer and life's challenges start to weigh you down, remember that you are never alone. There is a world around you filled with care and support, waiting to embrace you during moments of struggle. Picture the gentle rain washing over the earth, revitalizing even the heaviest of burdens. Life can sometimes feel like a storm, unpredictable and overwhelming, yet in those very moments there's a place for solace and comfort. When you find yourself trudging through the thick fog of worry and doubt, take a deep breath and pause. Imagine handing over the weight that clings to your heart. Visualize it as a heavy backpack filled with stones, each representing your fears, anxieties, and struggles. As you loosen the straps, feel the freedom begin to surge through you. Know that it's okay to ask for help, that you are worthy of it, and that together much can be accomplished. As your guide, I am here to share that burden. Picture me extending my hands, ready to take that weight from you. In this exchange, what I offer is not just a lending hand, but a promise that you will find rest. It's a gracious invitation to lean into the support that surrounds you, weaving a tapestry of trust and love that binds us together. With every struggle you release, feel lighter, as if you are shedding layers that no longer serve you. During times of quiet reflection, allow yourself to imagine the warmth of the sun breaking through the clouds, illuminating the path ahead. Embrace the idea of surrendering to peace, a peace that comes when you lay your burdens at my feet. With your heart open, let the stillness, the contentment, and the restfulness wash over you like a soft breeze on a warm day. So my precious child, when life feels heavy, remember my words. You do not have to carry your burdens alone. Reach out, embrace the flow of relief, and trust in the love that envelops you. Together, let's navigate through the storms, finding joy in the little things and building strength in our bond. Rest will come, and with it a renewed spirit to face whatever life presents, hand in hand with love. Support the mission of love and hope. Join us in spreading Jesus' teachings and uplifting lives by contributing just $25. Your donation helps provide resources, community support, and spiritual guidance to those in need. Type Amen if you believe in God.